Hello student, how are you? Hope all are well. Myself Amita. Today's session thing around us. We will discuss about three thing around us. We can see on your screen this is a thing around us. We already know different things and found in our surrounding. We can see very easy way in our home, our atmosphere. Everything has a mass or weight. They occupy space. Okay, they have a different shape and colors and size. Okay, so here discuss about things around us. What is matter? Everything that has a mass or weight, they occupies a space called matter. Here we will discuss about matter. Okay, here we will discuss about matter. Non-living things and living things both are found in our surrounding and they occupy space and they have a different shape, color and size. Okay, here we will discuss about matter. Everything has a mass or weight. Everything has a mass or weight. They occupies a space. Okay? And everything occupies a space and occupies a space. Okay, is called matter. Everything has a mass or weight. Here, or weight or mass. Everything has a mass or weight and occupies space. Okay, is called matter. Is called matter. Okay, this is a matter. So how can define matter? Everything has a mass or weight and occupies space is called matter. States of matter. And next topic, states of matter. States of matter. Three states or form of matter. Matter is found in three states. Okay? Matter is found in three states. Matter is found in three states. Three states. First, solid, liquid, gas. Three states are formed. First, solid. First, solid. Taken from example for solid. Here, this is a table. This is a table easily found in our home. Oh, you know that. And this is a chair. Okay? Chair. This is an example of solid. And second, liquid. And second, liquid. This is an example of liquid. Okay, this is an example of liquid. And third, gas. We already know about balloon fill of gas. Okay, this is a balloon. balloon, different shape and different size. We very beautiful. Children are play with this balloon. Balloons filled with gas. Okay. So this is a three form or three state of matter. So let's revise so many things as non-living things and as well as living things found in our surroundings. Okay, they have different size and shape and color. They have a occupies space or space, and they have a mass or weight. This is called matter. Everything has a mass. Everything here, everything has a mass or weight and occupy space is called matter. States of matter. Matter is found in three states: solid, liquid, gas. Okay, this is an example of solid: table and chair. Here we will take in example chair and table. This is a example of solid. Okay, second state or form, we can say form liquid. This is a liquid: water, drink, milk, tea, coffee, so many things we can drink every hour in daily life. Okay, this is a gas. Gas fill. This is a balloon. These balloons fill with gas. Okay, so this is three states or form of solid, liquid, gas. Here only next topic, what is matter made up of? So this is a matter, and next topic we think what is matter made up of? We know, children, matter is a made up of teeny particles called molecule. Okay, so what next topic, what is matter made up of? What is matter made up of? Question 1. What is matter? Very important fact of matter. What is matter made up of? Made up of. Okay. Matter is made up of teeny particles called molecules. The molecules are so small that we cannot see with naked eyes. Only can be see under microscope. So here we will write here. You can write this point. Okay. This is matter. Answer of this question. Answer of this question. What is matter made up of? So we can write here. Matter is made up of teeny particles called molecule. And now matter is made up of teeny particles. Okay, teeny particles. Here this is a particles. Okay, here this is a particles. This is a particles. Okay, matter is made up of teeny particles. Teeny particles called molecule. Okay, called molecule. Here bracket. Consider this molecule. Okay, this is a molecule. So matter is made up of teeny particles called molecules. They cannot be seen. The molecule are so small. The molecule are so small. You know that. So small. This is a diagram of molecule. Molecule is a very small particles, teeny particles. So small. They cannot see with naked eyes. That we cannot see that. So that we cannot see them with naked eyes. With naked eyes. Okay. With naked eyes. So matter is made up of teeny particles here. This is a so small teeny particles called molecule. The molecule are so small. Molecule are so small so that we cannot see them. So that we cannot see them with naked eyes. Only can see under microscope. The molecule can be seen. The molecules can be seen under microscope. Under microscope. Okay. So the molecules can be seen only under microscope because this is a very small particles, teeny particles we cannot see with naked eyes and only see under microscope. Only we can see under microscope. So this is a molecule. This is a very small description of molecules, and molecules is a very teeny particles. Only keep in mind teeny particles. This is a very small particles made up with these particles. With these particles, by these particles, matter is made up of teeny particles called molecules. Okay, so teeny particles. These particles made of molecule. Okay. So next states. We already know the matter is found in 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. Few minutes ago, already discussed about solid, liquid, gas, and next topics with full explanation. Topics of solid. So we will come this topic solid state. Okay. If any students wants this topic of PDF available here, you can easily contact with me and message on my email. Okay. So here discuss about first state solid. Okay. Solid. Please listen carefully. Solid state. Few minutes ago already discussed about 3 forms or 3 state of matter: liquid, gas, and solid. Solid, liquid, and gas. Okay. So here only full description about solid for class 4th. Okay. So in solid, like a book, take an example of book. The molecules very closely packed with a strong attraction force. Okay. They cannot move freely. Okay. This is a take an example of book. Consider this is an example of solid state. Of solid states. Okay. This is an example. This is a book. Okay. Here consider these molecules are closely packed with each other with a strong attraction force among them. Found in a strong attraction force among them. They cannot move freely. Okay, they have a definite shape and volume. So solid is a first point. Now in solid state, first point we will note it here. You can easily note down in your book. In solid state, the molecule are closely packed. Very easy seen here. This diagram, this is a molecule of solid state. Okay, very closely packed with strong attraction force. Okay, with strong attraction force. Very carefully, very crystal description here about solid state of matter. First, solid. In solid state, the molecules are closely packed. We can see here, this is a very carefully diagram and show very closely packed here. Okay, they cannot move freely, and these molecules of solid state, the molecules are closely packed with a strong attraction force. Okay, a strong attraction force. And next, they cannot move freely. Okay, next, they cannot move freely. They cannot move freely. Okay, because in solid states, these molecules found in these molecules are closely packed with attraction of force. Okay, strong attraction of force. They cannot move freely. This is a very important point. They cannot move freely. Okay, and third point we will come. They have a definite shape and volume. And third point, they have a definite shape. Here keep in mind definite. Okay, definite shape and definite volume. Definite shape and definite volume. This is a very important characteristic of solid. They have a definite shape and definite volume. This is a consider of so many things. This is a pencil. Here, already draw your example of solid state. This is a bat. Okay. Pencil. Table. Found in our home. Okay, we can use in daily life. Okay, so this is an example of solid. They have a definite shape and volume. Okay, So this is a description of solid state. They are generally hard. And fourth characteristic of solid, they are generally hard. Okay, only feel can touch with this things of solids, we can feel so hard, we can feel hard. So they are generally hard, they are generally